Can I request a video about dito sa tinatawag mo na exclusivity at gusto ko sana ma-enlighten about this one. Mga kings and queens, let's talk about exclusive dating. Quick thoughts. Let's go. Exclusive dating happens after a week or two ng talking stage. If you see that there's a vibe, if you see that there's a connection, tell this specific person to be exclusive with you. Dito na pwedeng magtanungan ng may iba ka pa bang kinakausap? May iba ka pa bang dinedate? Because everybody is in the open market, ladies and gentlemen. This is about letting the other person know that you want exclusivity. Ikaw at ako lang to. Drop everybody else and I will do the same. Let's enter the exclusivity stage. So para mas malaman natin kung compatible tayo to be in a relationship. Because again, in exclusive dating or with exclusivity, mas magiging komportable kayo sa isa't isa. Equating to, mas makikilala nyo lalo yung isa't isa. Now in this exclusivity thing, it's ideal to last around a month or two. Siguro maximum na yung 3 months. Again, this stage is for weighing kung relationship worthy ba yung connection ninyong dalawa. Diyan mo malalaman kung faithful ba, no? Loyal ba, sinungaling ba? Kasi magiging komportable na kayo sa isa't isa eh. Hindi kayo nagliligawan. You are not trying to impress each other anymore in this stage. Kahit na sabihin mo pa na nandun yung mindset mo to impress this person, mawawala yun because you're gonna get comfortable. Exclusive na eh. Ikaw at ako na lang eh. So darating sa puntong may comfort na. Nandyan na yung arguments, nandyan na yung hindi pagkakaintindihan. How do they handle arguments? How do they talk to you kapag galit sila? Etc. Yun ang mga pinaka-importanting i-observe when you are in the exclusive stage. O yan, given na ha, exclusive. Ikaw at ako na lang. You can't entertain other people anymore kapag may usapang exclusivity na. Kaya kapag may ine-entertain pa rin sila kahit na pag-usapan na ang exclusivity, ibig sabihin they're not faithful and they can't be faithful. At ang maganda pa dito guys, meron kayong label. Pag tinanong na ano kayo, we are officially dating. We are exclusively dating. O, diba? Panis yan sa situationship mo. Mahal ka daw, di ka naman mabigyan ng label. Damn! So, at the end of it all, if you feel and know na it's time to be officially in a relationship, babae o lalaki, you can ask the other person to be your boyfriend or your girlfriend. O sige, bibigyan ko kayo ng idea. In my case, kay Kay, it was at her apartment, no, dati. Sinayaw ko lang siya, slow dance. Tapos binulungan ko siya. I asked her, can you be my girlfriend? You know when the time is right. You'll know if you think and feel that you've already known enough. Kasi sa amin ni Kay, exclusivity pa lang, may away na kami, may hindi na kami pagkakaintindihan, nagkatampuhan na kami, nagkasuyuan na kami. So that's when I knew it was relationship worthy. Ngayon, on the other hand, kung hindi mo naman gusto yung tao, this is not a relationship worthy connection, you can tell the person to stop here. Just tell them na nakilala na kita, I'm good, and I don't think what we have right now is what I want for a relationship. So doon natatapos ang exclusivity or exclusive dating nang hindi nagiging kayo. It also ends in rejecting them. Why? Because you've seen a lot of things that you don't like. Valid? Valid. I'll see you in the next video, mga kings and queens. Stream my song, my new song, Sabi Sabi, on Spotify and on all streaming platforms. Other than that, nice.